Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to create image ads. And image ads are the most powerful things to start off with because they're very easy to create and you can start building them off very soon. So we'll cover a lot of things: why image ads, things to keep in mind, faceless image ads, with face image ads, how to create, and some examples of that. So let's start with why image ads. There are three simple reasons why we choose image ads. Number one, they're fast. That means you can create them like in half an hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes and deploy them, right? So you can create like in 1 hour, at least 5 image ads and start with that. That's why it's fast. Second, it's reliable. Because what happens is you can rely on them to get your first initial sales. Though you cannot scale with them very high, you can scale with them pretty much good, but you can't scale with them very high. So in that case, you need something that is reliable and you can do it fast. And last is it is testing based. That means image ads are the best way to test, because when you run some image ads, you are using different headlines, different images, different ways, and that will tell you what actually works, what is actually working for your product, for your funnel. And once you know what is working, you can create video ads of that to scale it up. So that's how these three things works. Now, things to keep in mind: number one, they need to be square ads, right? You will not make them rectangle, vertical, horizontal, portrait, landscape. You'll make them square ads. Number two, there should be a color theme, right? There should be a simple color theme going while you are creating your image ads, so that you know that it actually works or not. Then typography, that means what fonts are you using. And lastly, it should look premium. It should not look dull. It should not look some noob has done the work. It should look a little bit of premium, so that people who are coming to you are people who would like to pay a little bit higher amount in your upsells or in your high ticket offers, so that you get what you want. Now, how do you choose a color theme? That's a great question. For that, we are going to use a tool called as colors, right? This is basically a tool that will help you create your color palette. Now, to use this tool, you'll use simple two things: lock and spacebar. Lock and spacebar. How do you do? Basically, simply click on Start Generator and it would load a color palette in front of you, which will have 5 different colors. Now, what you do is you keep on pressing spacebar. If you press spacebar, it will look something like this. Now, let's say your main color is this yellow. Your brand main color is this yellow. Now you keep on clicking this unless you get a color palette for yourself. Let's say this is a color palette that you like. Simply click on this, keep on doing this. Now these two are locked and these would change. Now I like this, keep on doing this. Now I like this, keep on doing this. Until I have the color that basically suits with all of these, I would keep on pressing spacebar. And when I find a color, for example, this one, boom, my color palette is ready. And now I will use this color palette to make my image ads. This is how you create your color palette, but it's basically a color theme. Then typography is basically the fonts that you use, and then basically how premium are you looking. Now, if you go in the folder of image ads, over there you will see image ads resources I've given, in which all the things are present, right? So over here 50 plus ads are available and some examples are also given for your reference. Now, faceless image ads. The thing that you can start off with is faceless image ads if you can't show your face. If you can show your face, then you use with face image ads. Now, if you don't want to show your face, you'll use this. If you want to show your face, you're going to use face image ads. Now the question is, how do you create these kind of ads? Well, you use a simple tool called as Canva. If you go to Canva, you need to simply come to Canva. It's a free tool to use. Simply click over here and type book mockup. Once you type book mockup, you're going to see multiple templates for yourself, right? All these are templates that you can use. Just make sure that you don't use these pro versions because they are for paid. Other than that, all of these things are absolutely free to use. You can use any template that you like. For example, I like this template. I would simply click on that. I would click on customize this template. Now let's say I can use my image. If I can use my image in this case, I would put my image. If I don't want to use my image, I will not put my image. Now let's say I come to upload section and I can use my image. So let's say I'm writing a ebook on sales, right? So this is a sales ebook, let's say. This is not of my use, so I'll simply delete this. And now over here, let's say I can add my image. So I'll put this, I'll remove all this, not of use. I can put all my images. So I'll put all of this. Sales ebook ka mockup is ready. Now this is not giving a feeling of sales. So I'll simply go to elements, type sales. And let's say this is a sales ebook ka cover. I'll type sales. I'll see multiple things over here. And let's say I find an image over here which represents sales and I can make it a background. So this looks pretty decent now, right? And over here, I can add something else as well. Now this I can save as an image ad. One thing that you need to mention is when you're making your image ad, you need to mention the price on the image ad itself. So simply click on text. Simply click on text. Let's say like this. I'll click on this. I'll type rupees 19. And let's say the color is black that I want to choose. So I'll select this all. Click on the black color. Done. I'll make it smaller to mention that it is rupees 19. So my image ad is ready. Now let's say in this case, I want an image ad which does not include my face. So in that sense, what I can do is I can simply come over here and I can change the images over here, and I can choose another image instead of this. So coming over here, I can simply click on elements. Now I have some sales elements. So I'll click on see all, and all the images I'll replace with other images like these. Simply use all the free images. Do not use any paid images or you will have a watermark. So I'm using only free images over here. And with these free images, I'm going to build out this whole ebook. Boom, my sales ebook is ready. Let's say I don't like the background image, so I can simply click on that, remove that up. Click on this to add a background. Let's say this color I would choose, or this color I would choose, or this is the color I want to go for. Whatever color you want to go for, you go for, and boom, your mockup is ready. I know you can make better mockups than this. I'll show you some examples as well, but I'm just showing you right now how to do that off. So that's how you create image ads using Canva. Now I've also given you a link attached in the resource section, which is 50 plus done for you ads. So if you click on the resource section, you click on this, and if you click, I'll show you that on Canva, I've given you 50 plus ads to edit, which are already designed by an expert, and these ads work. So if you come over here, this would load itself and show you 50 ads to use. See, this is an ad someone can create, this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad. Simply change your image over here, simply change the headline, boom, your image ad is ready. And you can create infinite image ads using this, because just change the color and you have a new image ready after that, right? So that's how you can create image ads for yourself. Now, coming to the homework part, these are some examples. These are some examples that I have made, so you can make examples like this. And then we have our homework. You need to create 2 image ads for yourself, and you need to launch them as soon as possible on Facebook ads. Once you're done with that, then you can make your video ads as well. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.
If this video hit different, press on the subscribe button, share this with a friend who needs to hear this, like the video, comment what was your favorite part, and I'll see you in the next one.